Hi everyone, I'm Nancy Regan and welcome to 100 Days of Reliability. I have challenged myself to post a video every day for 100 days sharing something about reliability with a heavy emphasis on reliability-centered maintenance, with a few surprises thrown in here and there. Along the way, I'll share why I'm doing this and what I suspect I'm going to learn along the way. So let's get to today's video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how we, as asset custodians, actually design the reliability that we get from our equipment. We design our equipment reliability both literally and figuratively speaking. Literally speaking, the kind of reliability that we get from our equipment is dependent largely upon its design. In other words, what it is capable of doing. It is what it is. We can't get more out of it than it was designed to do. In other words, its inherent reliability. But we also figuratively design our equipment reliability. See, inherent reliability doesn't mean how long something will last without failing. Inherent reliability means how long something will last without failing when it's protected by the right proactive maintenance and other actions. So we, as equipment custodians, are responsible for taking care of our equipment. So the kind of proactive maintenance that we do on our equipment and other things, other actions that we're responsible for, like what is the quality of our operating procedures? How about our training programs for our maintainers and our operators? What about our spare parts policy? Do we have the spare parts that we need when we need them? The quality of the choices that we make for our equipment are governed by our philosophy. So we have to ask ourselves, do we have a philosophy that is grounded in the basics of maintenance and reliability? Or maybe we don't have much of a philosophy at all. In other words, maybe we're operating in reactive mode, running from fire to fire. Let me give you an example of inherent reliability. Behind me, you see a large patch of land, and this is our land in Muscle Shoals, Alabama, where we're building a garage for my husband. Now, the land, as it was when we bought it for this metal building that we're building, would have been very unreliable. So we made some good choices to make a good, strong foundation. So we had the topsoil taken out, and then chirp was put down, and it was pressed. So now the foundation is nice and strong to support the metal building. Well, the same thing goes for our reliability and our machines. It's up to us to have a strong foundation when it comes to reliability. And it all begins with our choices. So I hope that you will join me tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow, we are going to talk about preventive maintenance tasks. What they are, how you decide if you're going to do one, and how often you should do them. I'm Nancy Regan from Muscle Shoals, Alabama, with video number 1 of 100 Days of Reliability. Thank you for watching. Solid.